The Skoda Elroq 2025 is a checkmate all-electric SUV. It's the brand's first all-electric vehicle, replacing the Karoq crossover indirectly. The new Elroq is a car that blends luxury, functionality, authenticity, and sensitivity. The Skoda Elroq has a high-end appearance similar to other luxury SUVs. Additionally, there aren't many changes from its predecessors. It has slender grilles with the Elroq letters in the middle. The Elroq's Skoda branding took the place of the Skoda badges on the bonnet, steering and tailboard. It has block-form LED daytime running lights that you might confuse for headlights because they are in the place where you would expect to see headlights, although the LED headlights are just below. The trapezoidal-shaped front features few vents, with the majority closed because the electric car requires less cooling. The Skoda Elroq has a wheelbase of 2,765 mm, length of 4,488 mm, width of 1,884 mm, and height of 1,625 mm. The Elroq has alloy wheels that range in size from 19 to 20 inches. The vehicle also has foldable mirrors and a perfectly crafted line along the side that appears to connect the taillights to the daytime running lights in front. The Elroq's rear view is also stunning to look at since the designers did a sophisticated job. It has a large bumper with well-designed tail lights and no exhaust outlets visible because it is an electric vehicle with zero combustion. The Elroq is the same size as the Karoq but is constructed on a different platform. It also shares underpinnings with the Skoda Enyaq, Audi Q4, and Volkswagen ID4. The Elroq will come in 9 distinct colors, including white, gray, red, black, and green, which will be exclusive to the Elroq. The inside has a similar arrangement to the Enyaq. Regardless of which version you choose, the inside includes an 18-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Despite being identical, the Elroq's infotainment is slightly more advanced, with a simpler menu arrangement and more responsiveness. The system features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The SUV has touchscreen air conditioning control, just like the Enyaq, although it is more distracting, especially while driving. The Skoda Elroq, like the Enyaq, features a small digital cluster behind the steering wheel. In terms of quality, the Elroq's interior is decorated with a surprising number of high-grade materials, however not all of them are of high quality. The entry-level vehicle is lofty, while the higher trim levels are more sporty. The Skoda Elroq has a well-positioned armrest that acts as a cover for an unusually deep center console. It also has a long tray next to it, 2 cup holders, and some extra storage below the center console. It includes a wireless charging station that can support 2 phones at once. Despite the fact that the Enyaq is 160 mm longer than the Elroq provides significantly more rear seat space. The legroom and headroom are remarkable, allowing a tall driver and passenger to sit comfortably behind them. The Elroq has an adjustable storage tray in the back, which is useful when you have more than 2 passengers. The Elroq's cargo space has a capacity of 470 liters, which is less than the Enyaq 585L, but significantly higher than the EX30 318L, #1 323, and Kia EV3 460L. Additionally, the cargo room contains underfloor storage and other small storage spaces by the sidewalls. It also has a parcel shelf that may be utilized to divide the cargo area into several sections. There is a net on the parcel shelf where the charging cord can be kept. The back seats may be folded 60-40 to create more storage space, however there is no button to facilitate the folding process, thus it must be done by hand. The Skoda Elroq has an umbrella and an ice scraper in its door, just like the Rolls-Royce vehicle. The Skoda Elroq comes with 3 different batteries, the 50, which is the entry-level model, and the 60 and 85, which are the range-topping versions. The above-mentioned arrangement is a common format on the Enyaq. The Elroq has an official range of roughly 230 miles for the 50, 260 miles for the 60, and 360 miles for the 85. This establishes an important point to all of its electric car competitors. The 85 version offers a fast charging rate of 175 kW, allowing for a 10 to 80% charge in 28 minutes under ideal conditions. The 60 and 50 can also charge at a maximum rate of 145 kW, allowing for a 10 to 80% top-up in a short period of time due to its large battery capacity. The Skoda Elroq is a small SUV that is both family and budget-friendly, offering all of its unique features at a reasonable price. In the UK, the Elroq is estimated to cost roughly £31,500, making it comparable with the #1, £31,950, and the Volvo EX30, £32,800.